Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial for Marvel Rivals. And in this one, I'm going to show you how you can change the control settings within your game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marvel Rivals game on your PC. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page. Now from here, in order to change any settings, just click on the gear icon at the top right corner and then click on settings. From the settings page, tap on controller at the top section, and from there you can change any settings if you are playing using a controller or a joystick. Alternatively, you can also go into the keyboard menu, and here you will find various different control tabs. Just scroll all the way down, and now you can redefine your buttons. Tap on any button that you wish to redefine, and once you are prompted to hit your key, you can simply tap on the respective button that you wish to set or change into. After redefining your settings or changing your controls, you can just go back into your main menu and all of your settings will be saved. Now you can start enjoying your game with your chosen control settings right away. And anytime you wish to make more changes, you can go back to the same menu. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your control settings on the Marvel Rivals game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.